Paso actually pass to Camero. Camero to Hipólito. Hipólito bukan pipilan. Hipólito 2 points. Left pass to Camero. Camero to Cortado. Cortado sa 3 points. Nakuha ni Cortado. Pass to Camero. Camero to Athlete. Athlete diretso. Basket count. Angles to Camero. Camero to Cortado. Cortado pull up jumper. 2 points by Cortado. Yes, mayor ng bola. Parillas still di Cortado. Pass to Antolin. Magsari natin 2 points. To Parillas to Pascua. Pascua is layup by Pascua. On the billet, still by Santos. Santos to Parillas. Parillas nagpamadala. Nadulas pa. Nakuha ni Belmonte. Back to Parillas. 2 points by Parillas. Malinang still by Angles, pass to Cortado, pass to Hipólito. Ito Camero to Angles. Angles to Hipólito. Hipólito to direct, 2 points. Diaz to Belmonte. Belmonte ang bola. Belmonte diretso, 2 points by Belmonte. Diaz, libre si Diaz. 2 points by Diaz. Last 30 seconds play, Liban to Malinang, 2 points. 10. Camero sa gilid, 3 points by Camero. Abrina to Macareg sa gilid, 2 points by Macareg. Pass to Diaz. Diaz through the ball, Diaz to diretso, 2 points by Diaz. Pinto, Rubio situation, Pinto, pass to Rubio, 2 points by Rubio. Pass to Macareg, going to Diles, pass to Cortado sa ilalim, 2 points by Cortado. Rubio ngayon na bola, pass to Malinang, pass to Diaz. Diaz, pull up jumper, 2 points by Diaz. Angles, pass to Macareg to Hipólito, 2 points. Parillas to Rubio to Belmonte, pass to Pinto sa ilalim, 2 points by Pinto. Okay, still by Abrina, pass to Macareg sa ina, 2 points. Parillas to Pinto, pass to Belmonte to Rubio to Miller, 2 points by Rubio. Angles to Hipólito diretso binalikan, 2 points by Hipólito. To Angles to Esgoy sa ilalim, follow shot, 2 points by Esgoy. Score 33-23, favor of Perfeccionaria. Deberan. Abrina, pass to Esgoy, pass to Hipólito to Miller, 2 points by Hipólito. Doctor to Deberan to Pascua denied by Hipólito. Rubio wants to be left pass to Belmonte to Tibera sa gitna, 2 points. To Doctor ngayon ang bola, Doctor pumilit, 2 points by Doctor. Esgoy pass to Abrina. Last 10 seconds to hit. Hipólito, 2 points. Liban, pinasa sa ilalim, 2 points by Santos. Cortado, pass to Antolin to Camero pull up jumper, 2 points by Camero, pinasa sa gitna, Macareg to Hipólito to Antolin sa gilid, 2 points. Gaspar ng babadala, 4v1 situation, pass to Belmonte, 2 points. Still by Liban, libre, 2 points by Liban. Pass to Santos to Belmonte to Rubio pull up jumper, 2 points by Rubio. Antolin, pass to Hipólito sa ilalim daw, pero Rubio niya pa rin, 2 points by Hipólito. Angles to Cortado sa ilalim, 2 points. Liban to Gaspar to Malinang sa ilalim, 2 points. Pasto Liban. Liban to the side, behind the back, and no good. Talabi, Belmonte, 2 points. Camero to Hippolito. Hippolito sa ilalim ni 2 points by Hippolito. Still ni Gaspar to Liban, 2 points. Camero may half ng bola. Camero sa second play. Camero to Angles. Angles to Antolin. Antolin may half ng bola. Antolin to Angles. Angles ball to Gulet. Angles pull up cover. 2 points by Angles. Gaspar to Malinang sa Gulet. Para sa ilalim. 2 points by Antolin. Pass to Cortado. Pass to Angles. Angles sa ilalim. Gulet. 2 points. Cortado to Camero. Camero may half ng bola. Pass to Hippolito na naman. 2 points. 32 seconds play. Malinang may half ng bola. Gaspar. Down to pass to Adrian. Ganda naman mo yan. Antolin. Pass to Angles. 2 points. Camero. Last 3 minutes and 50 seconds to play. Angles to Antolin. To Angles. Angles full of jumper. 2 points by Angles. Aguilar, no good. Nakuha ni Cortado. Pass to Angles. Angles na naman. 2 points. Liban to Pinto sa Aguilar. No good. 2 points by Belmonte. Good. Rebound by Pinto. Pass to Gaspar. Oras, 2 minutes and 13 seconds to play. Gaspar to Gaspar naman. Gaspar fake, Gaspar pull up jumper. 2 points by Gaspar. Angles na yung bola. Angles ang bawat mukhang diretso. 2 points. Pass to Gaspar. Gaspar sa gilid. No good. Dribble by Santos. 2 points by Santos. Antolin may ako ng bola. Antolin diretso. Basket down. Camero to Antolin. Pass to Cortado sa gilid. 2 points. Belmonte to Santos. Santos to Liban sa gilid. 3 points. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Antolin last 5 seconds to play. Antolin may out ng bola. Pass to Estigoy to Angles sa gitna. 2 points by Angles.
Pumunta dito yan.
Cortado may out ng bola. Pass to Estigoy. Back to Cortado. Pass to Antolin. Antolin sa 3 points. Pass to Pinto. Mukhang babawin. No good. Rebound ni Santos. Denied by Angles. Nakuha ni Belmonte. 2 points. Liban, nagpapasang ginagkailalan. Gusto makita. 2 points. Antolin may out ng bola. Antolin na naman sa 3. No good. Rebound by Cortado. 2 points by Cortado. Estigoy sa 3. No good. Rebound ni Angles. Angles, 2 points by Estigoy. Estigoy to Cortado. Libre sa 3. Wala pa din. Pero na-rebound ni Angles. 2 points na naman para kay Gaspar. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Liban sa during there. No good. Rebound by Belmonte. 2 points. Gaspar may ako ng bola. Gaspar to Santos. 2 points. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Antolin pass to Antolin sa gilid. 3 points. Angles to Antolin to Hippolito sa ilalim. 2 points. Antolin, last 5 seconds to shoot. Antolin, 2 points by Antolin. Hippolito to Cortado. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Cortado sa gilid. Fariñas. Antolin, still by Fariñas. 2 points by Fariñas. Seconds to shoot. Antolin. Adeline, 2 points by Adeline. Cortado to Hipólito, 2 points. Rubian, 2 points.